Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shahrul Naim bin Safi'in and my matric number is 2021202814.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Alif Mustaqim bin Abdullah. My student number is 22021800622.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nazifuddin bin Abdullah. My ID student is 2021202444.
There are two objectives of this topic. The first one is to understand some basic concept and definition of Ross theorem and mean value theorem for differentiation. The second one is to identify the differences between both theorems.
For Ross theorem. What is Ross theorem? In calculus, Ross theorem states that if a differentiation function, a real value, return equal value at two distinct points, then it must have at least one fixed point somewhere between them where the first derivative is zero. Introduction. What is mean value theorem? The mean value theorem establishes a relationship between the slope of a tangent line to a curve and the second line through point on a curve at the end point of an interval.
Why we use Ross theorem and mean value theorem? Ross theorem. Use Ross theorem to show that the function has a critical point in the interval. A polynomial function like this one will be continuous and differentiable everywhere in its domain. Real-life application. Ross theorem helps a lot in finding the maximum height of the projectile trajectory. It also has played a vital role in bringing architectural perfection in the construction of elliptical domes that enhance the amplitude of light, such as electromagnetic and sound wave. Mean value theorem. This theorem is used to prove the statements about a function on an interval starting from local hypothesis about derivatives at points of the interval. Real-life application. To test the accuracy of my speedometer. Problem statement and problem solution for Ross theorem. Problem statement. Find the values of C that satisfy the Ross theorem for the function f(x) equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2 in the interval 0, 3. There are two conditions for Ross theorem. The first one is fa equal to fb and the second one is f prime c equal to 0. For your information, the interval 0 represent A and 3 represent B. Problem solution. Firstly, we need to substitute the value from the interval, which is 0, 3, into the function and we will get the value which is 2. And we actually satisfy the first condition, which is fa equal to FB. Then we need to differentiate the function of f(x) and we will get the f prime x equal to 2x minus 3. For the next step, we need to substitute the x with c and we will get the f prime c equal to 2c minus 3. Lastly, we need to use the second condition of Rolle's theorem, which is f prime c equal to 0, and we write 2c minus 3 equal to 0, and we will get the value of c, which is 3 over 2 is the element of the interval 0, 3. Problem statement and problem solution for mean value theorem. Problem statement: find the values of c that satisfy the mean value theorem for the function f(x) equal to x squared minus 3x plus 4 in the interval -1, 2. For your information, the interval -1 represent A and 2 represent B. Problem solution. For the first step, we need to substitute the value from the interval, which is -1 and 2, into the function, and we will get the value 8 and 2 respectively. Same with Rolle's theorem, we need to differentiate the function of f(x) to get the f prime x, and we will get f prime x is 2x minus 3. Then we need to substitute the x with c, and we will get f prime c equal to 2c minus 3. For the next step, we need to use the formula for the mean value theorem, which is f prime c equal to fb minus fa over b minus a. Then we need to substitute all of the value that we got from the calculation before into the formula of mean value theorem. For the final answer, we will get the value of c, which is 1 over 2 is the element of interval -1, 2.
Conclusion. Okay, we can conclude mean value theorem is that if a function f is continuous on the interval a b, then also differentiable on the a b, then exists a point c in the interval a b such that f prime c, which is equal to the ratio of the difference of the function fa and fb. The conclusion of Rolle's theorem is that if f(x) is continuous on a closed interval, x is the element a, b, and differentiable on the open interval, x is the element of a, b, and fa equal fb. Then there is some point c is the element of ab with fc equal to 0.